I walk the earth as a vessel of a life. I walk the earth as a vessel of a life. Yeah. I walk the earth as a vessel of a life. I speak only words that heal. I act only in ways that uplift. I cause no harm, for I am love embodied. I have the divine gift. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let my hands be gentle, let my thoughts be clear, let my heart be open, let my presence be peace. I do not strike, I do not shame, I do not silence, I do not destroy. Yeah. I walk the earth as a vessel of light. I speak only words that heal. I am the guardian of kindness, I am the protector of innocence. I am the voice that says no more violence, no more fear. I choose compassion over control. I choose listening over judgment. I choose creation over destruction. I choose love, always love. I act only in ways that uplift. I cause no harm, for I am love embodied. I have the divine gift. I walk the earth as a vessel of light. May all beings be free from harm. May all hearts remember their truth. May all voices rise in unity. May peace be the path, the prayer, and the promise. I speak only words that heal. Yeah, 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 yeah. Vessel of life. I act only in ways that uplift. I cause no harm.